Good Tuesday morning, South Carolina weather watchers. I'm your meteorologist, Joseph Peterson, and let's go in and talk about the weather for your Tuesday. Starting off, what is going on right now throughout the entire state of South Carolina? Well, right now it is looking nice and dry, not looking for a single bit of rainfall. But if we scroll our way out, see what's going on throughout the entire U.S., we do have some rainfall going on, and it looks like we may have some snowfall. Rainfall over here in Ohio, New York, Pennsylvania, up here in Illinois, Missouri, Oklahoma, Texas. Down here we have some rainfall. We also have some snowfall in Colorado, rainfall in Idaho, and even the UP of Michigan. Everybody else, though, maybe except for like southern Florida, looking relatively well. Now we go on and look at our cloud cover for the future and our cloud cover currently. Currently, we do have some up in the upstate. We have some in the PD area, some in the Grand Strand areas, and the low country areas as well. We look at our cloud cover for the future. It does look like our cloud cover will continue to kind of just stay in the western areas, trying to push their way more and more into the east as we get more and more into tonight. And the eastern parts of the state, low country, PD, Grand Strand areas, these areas right here are kind of just staying clear. Kind of just staying clear as we go throughout today. Current temperatures right now, we're seeing around a good 72 Somerville, 74 Charleston, Beaufort, 70 Orangeburg, 71 in Columbia, 70 in Aiken, 73 Georgetown, Myrtle Beach, 72 in Conway, Hartsville, 71 Lancaster, 71 Rock Hill, York, Gaffney, 69 in Greenville, 71 Clemson, and 70 in Anderson. Now for your air quality, we're looking at nice conditions, good conditions for the most part, except for if you're up there in the upstate, maybe parts of the western half of the state, western border, right there with Georgia, and that's with the moderate risk of air quality. So just make sure that if you're in the yellow, that you're paying attention and that you are aware of what is going on here and what is going on in your area. Now for our high temperatures for today, 90s. In fact, we may even see some mid to upper 90s. 95, Columbia, 93, Sumter, 94, Orangeburg, 92, Barnwell, 91, Greenwood, Newbury, Greenville at 90, Moncks Corner at 91, Charleston at 80, Myrtle Beach at 80, 84 in Georgetown. I mean, it is going to be a hot day today. Hot day today. Winds are going to be pretty calm, around 3 to 5 miles per hour in the upstate, Midlands, low country, Grand Strand. It may get up to around 10 to 15, but it's definitely not going to be so breezy to the point to where we're going to need to start, watching for breezy conditions and anything like that. I think the most we're going to see is maybe around 20, so slightly breezy, but it's definitely not bad at all. It will be enough of a breeze, though, to give you some relief if you're outside working. But other than that, it's going to be actually pretty hot and then also just a bit breezy on the side, slightly. Rainfall is not expected at this time. No thunderstorms. No fire weather. Then for the crazy score, we are at a 17. We're at a 17. Why? Well, obviously, like I just showed you, maybe some slightly breezy conditions, and also it is very hot, so that adds on to it as well. Looking at the models now, honestly, not too much to really look at here. Only thing we're really looking at is as we push forward into this afternoon, going into tonight, cloud cover, well, not cloud cover, excuse me, rainfall activity is just not here. Just not here. I'm not seeing any of it at all. And that's pretty much all that I have to say here throughout the entire state of South Carolina. So that's all. Very nice day today. It's going to be nice, but it's going to be hot. You see there at the bottom right, high temperatures for today up into the upper 90s. And even low temperatures for this morning, I mean, we're only in the 70s. So very little relief. Make sure if you're outside, you drink plenty of water. Make sure that you are properly hydrated. Take proper breaks. Just because, it's not near 100 degrees or not at 100 degrees doesn't mean that you still should not be taking this seriously. But that's all. I'll be back tonight, 9 o'clock p.m. with your Tuesday evening forecast update. Also tomorrow morning with your Wednesday morning forecast update. Make sure you're there for both.